Welcome to today's lesson on planning for long-term success in your restaurant. Whether you're just starting out or looking to strengthen your operations, long-term success requires a well-thought-out strategy. Let's dive into the key areas you need to focus on to ensure your restaurant thrives for years to come. First, we'll cover efficient restaurant operations. It's all about optimizing workflows, minimizing waste, and running like a well-oiled machine. Next, professional financial management. Learn how to budget accurately, control costs, and maximize profits. Then we'll discuss legal and regulatory compliance. Stay on top of health and safety codes, labor laws, and licensing to avoid fines and shutdowns. Effective inventory management is another critical aspect. Minimize food waste and control costs by keeping track of what's coming in and going out. We'll also look at crisis management and contingency planning. Be prepared for unexpected challenges like equipment failures or public relations issues. Updated technology and online ordering are essentials for modern restaurants. Leverage technology to make operations more efficient and enhance customer experience. Sustainable practices will give your restaurant an edge. Reduce food waste and use energy-efficient equipment to resonate with eco-conscious customers. Awareness of competing restaurants is crucial. Understand your competitors to find your unique value proposition and stay competitive. Stay responsive to food and restaurant trends to keep your restaurant fresh and exciting. Brand identity and consistency help build loyalty and recognition. Ensure your brand promise is reflected in every touchpoint with the customer. Employee retention is vital for smooth operations. Invest in staff development and create a positive work environment. Finally, data-driven decision-making helps optimize operations and maximize profits. Use data to improve marketing, refine your menu, and reduce waste. That's a quick overview of what we'll be covering in today's lesson. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into each of these strategies to ensure your restaurant's long-term success.